Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of mindfulness and its transformative power. In today's video, we'll embark on a journey of self-discovery as we delve into the art of cultivating awareness through mindfulness. Get ready to embark on a path of personal growth and inner peace. Let's dive in. Imagine being fully present in each moment, embracing the beauty of life unfolding around you. That's the essence of mindfulness, the practice of cultivating awareness and being fully engaged in the present moment. It's about awakening to the richness of every experience, big or small. In this video, we'll explore the foundations of mindfulness and discover practical techniques to help you cultivate awareness in your daily life. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's begin! Mindfulness starts with paying attention, truly paying attention, to our thoughts, emotions, sensations, and the world around us. It's about being a curious observer of our own inner landscape and the external environment. One powerful technique to develop mindfulness is through meditation. By sitting in stillness and focusing on our breath, we can anchor ourselves in the present moment and cultivate a deep sense of awareness. Through regular practice, we train our minds to observe thoughts without judgment, allowing them to come and go like clouds passing through the sky. But mindfulness isn't limited to meditation alone. It's about bringing awareness into our daily activities, no matter how mundane they may seem. Whether it's savoring a cup of tea, taking a mindful walk in nature, or simply listening attentively to someone, each moment presents an opportunity to be fully present. By cultivating mindfulness, we develop the ability to respond to life's challenges with clarity and compassion, rather than reacting impulsively. We become more attuned to our own needs and the needs of those around us, fostering deeper connections and nurturing a sense of empathy and understanding. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from individuals who have incorporated mindfulness into their lives.
Mindfulness has completely transformed the way I approach life. I used to be caught up in the chaos of my thoughts, but now I can step back and observe them with a sense of detachment. It has brought me a profound sense of peace and clarity.
Through mindfulness, I've discovered the beauty of the present moment. It has helped me break free from the grip of anxiety and truly appreciate the small joys in life. I feel more alive and connected than ever before.
As you can see, mindfulness has the potential to revolutionize our lives in remarkable ways. It's a lifelong journey of self-discovery, where we continually deepen our awareness and embrace the fullness of our experiences. Thank you for joining me on this introductory exploration of mindfulness and the art of cultivating awareness. I hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own mindfulness journey. Remember, every moment holds the potential for mindfulness, so let's make a commitment to be fully present and cultivate awareness in our lives. Stay tuned for more videos on mindfulness and self-transformation. Until next time, may you find peace and joy in each mindful breath.